Good morning. Welcome to the KSE Elementary Newscast.
Please stand and join me for Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated.
Today is Wednesday, February 15th, 2023.
Today's weather, high of 57, low of 31, sunny, and a low percent chance of rain.
Today's breakfast is cereal, yogurt, juice choice, and fruit choice. Today's lunch is breaded chicken patty, mashed potatoes, peas and carrots, breadsticks and a cookie, fruit choice, and juice choice.
There are no birthdays for February 15th. Today's announcements, Dr. Seuss. We will be celebrating Dr. Seuss the week of February 22nd through March 3rd. A flyer will be sent home with details about the themed days. On March 2nd, we will have guest readers coming to read to our students. Snack money. Please make sure that snack bags and money are sent up by 9:30 each morning. If students are late, they are not allowed to purchase snacks. Uniform. Many of our students are wearing non-uniform outerwear each day. Please make sure that they take off outerwear that is not in compliance with our uniform policy. If you need additional uniform policies to highlight and send home with your students, they are in the front office. Gum. We have seen an increased number of students chewing gum lately. Please do not allow students to chew gum in the building. Today's late duty is Ms. Gardner.
Important dates: February 15th, ACAP PD during planning, 2nd and 3rd. ACAP shutdown for 2nd through 5th, 8:30 and 10:15. February 16th, Micah Green Science Machine, 8:30, Pre-K, 1st, 3rd, and 5th, 9:30, Kindergarten, 2nd and 4th. February 17th, 4th grade field trip. February 20th through 24th, Mighty Bar break. February 27th through March 3rd, Dr. Seuss theme week. Compliance monitoring week. March 7th, spring pictures. ACAP alternate begins. March 21st, teacher workday. March 22nd, ACAP summative begins.
Send us your questions. If you have any questions, please submit them to the library box in the office, and me and Ms. Gibbs will try to answer them. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Wednesday.